Good morning, everybody. I'm Christina, also known as the Mobile Home Mama, and I was gonna jump in this one because I thought it was a different home, but I am so excited to have this here on the lot. This is a 16 by 60. We call this home the Nasby, a little bit over 900 square feet, a 2-bed, 2-bath, and this is one of our prime homes. So that means you're gonna get this baby at a great deal. Usually, if it's on a clearance page, high 50s, low 60s, yeah, the prime homes are amazing. Standard 2x6 wall, standard 200 amp electrical, standard walk-in shower, and it's gonna have the sink in the island. So let's jump right into it. We added an exterior elevation here just to give it, you know, dress it up a little bit on the outside. So you can do that. That's an option for you. And what that does is it gives you a little bit of an eyebrow dormer up there. When I say eyebrow dormer, I'm talking about that. And then cypress green on the outside. We've got some white corner posts. And then you all by now should know what a pier saver is. That's when you reinforce the exterior doors with some 2x4s under there. So we've got a pier saver at each of the door, I notice. Outside frost-free faucet and an outside electrical receptacle is always standard on the front, and you can add one of those each to the back if you wanted to. Every exterior door is going to have an exterior light. That's what that square is up by the door. And on the prime homes, shutters are going to be included at no additional charge on the front door side, FDS, front door side. Actually, front door side is the same on both doors, right? So that means this one has an optional reverse aisle. And an optional reverse aisle doesn't flip it end to end, it flips the kitchen from the front to the back. So walking into the Nazby, wide open living space. VOG is the wall panel that's going to be available for this home only, VOG only. But let me tell you, we've just done some extra stuff in the Prime Home series. Stainless steel appliances are standard. Not in this home yet, so we won't see that coming down the line here for another couple weeks, probably about 6 to 8 weeks for the new orders to come in, but stainless steel appliances are standard. I'm telling you, that Prime Home series, it's the best bang for your buck. And we've got it in several different sizes available in single wides or double wides. So get with me. I'm the Mobile Home Mama, 260-383-1009. Also, factory direct mobilehomes.com. You can find all our floor plans on the website. So let's just do a couple of pans here. Living. Kitchen. Super cute. Island's gonna have the sink, and what's great about the Prime Home series also is you finally got enough lip there on that island to be able to put bar stools underneath, and you can do, like I would do the rectangle ones if it were me. We've got urban oak, or chai oak, excuse me, on the color of the cabinets, and then on the top it's gonna be a white Carrera. Hopefully I said that correct. We've got thunder on the floor in this baby. You can add a microwave over the range and a dishwasher. This customer decided just to do the dishwasher only. Let's head back towards the other area of the home. Optional reverse aisle puts both doors on the same side. So if you were coming in the second door, you would walk right into the utility room, which is gonna house your furnace, electrical panel, and your washer and dryer. Always, always, always gonna have a main water shutoff right here at the washer dryer area. Heading into this way, we've got the master bedroom. Just a nice, simple single wide. Hey, investors, I also do investment homes. So if you wanna make some money and you wanna retire and maybe just put a couple of these homes up, here's the master bath, by the way. Got your closet right in your master bath, nice and convenient when you get out of the shower. And here is the standard walk-in shower. The other home series, you have to pay for that, but not in the Prime Home series. So you've got a lower cost home, built better, and more standard features. You can't go wrong. The drawback, or the only thing about this home, is no personalization. So we build them really great anyways. We just try to be able to maximize our production line, so we're gonna build them really great. And that's how you're gonna get them. Good morning. Starting this Friday off really great. Jumping in and talking to you guys always makes my day. Here's bedroom number 2. Hey, gotta tell you, we've got the super huge annual sale, once a year blowout coming up in September. Please don't forget me on that. I'll bring you in, put you in a nice hotel. We've always got great food, and I'll have brand new show homes. And it's just a great time. It's our last blowout sale, our biggest sale of the year, to save some money. Drop me a line, send me a text, shoot me a DM, give me a call. My name is Christina, and I'm here to help you. As always, thanks for watching.